Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So at the start, little bit obvious I know, but try to reinstall your WhatsApp application, and after that make sure that you have disabled the Do Not Disturb mode. You can find it in the top menu, but if you don't see the icon here, you can also check it in the settings. Just type in the search bar Do Not Disturb mode. Now make sure that you have this function deactivated. After that you can go to the settings, tap on the mobile network and choose the data usage. Tap on the network access, swipe down, and be sure that you have two checkboxes activated in the WhatsApp icon. And remember also to turn off the Smart Data Saver. Okay, in the next step, go to the Applications, Apps and Services, tap on the Apps and look for the WhatsApp. Now check that you have activated the notifications. You can also turn on the Pin to Top option and the bubbles. Now go to the More settings and activate the Use High Priority Notifications. If you have this feature activated, just keep it in this state. After that, you can also try to update your system, so go to the settings, tap on the system and updates, and tap on the software update. If you have any updates, just let it install. And the last tip from me, go to the reset, try to reset your network settings by opening this section, tap on this button and tap on this button again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.